Kind of dictionary is electronic dictionary. These are also very good dictionaries. All kind of almost words are available on such a dictionary. But these are more useful for the advanced learners and for the people who are engaged in research work. For them, this kind of dictionary is very useful. Now I come to the advantages of using dictionary. There are many advantages of dictionary. This is undoubtedly fact. Out of the advantage, we come first to know the meaning of a word. It is we know the meaning from the dictionary. The word whose meaning we don't know, we open dictionary and know the meaning. Second, to check the pronunciation. What is the pronunciation of a word? In good dictionary, every word's pronunciation is given in phonetic symbols. For this, you have to learn the phonetic symbols. You know phonetic symbols, vowels, consonants, monophthong, diphthongs. 45 sounds are there in English, out of which 21 are vowels and 24 are consonants. And out of 21, there are 13 pure vowels, that is monophthong, and 8 diphthongs. So, for knowing the correct pronunciation, we can get from the dictionary. Third, to know plural of noun word. We can know the plural of a word. First, we can know what parts of speech is this word, because there are 8 parts of speech, out of which that particular word falls in which category? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the 8 kind of parts of speech. If it is noun, we can get its plural form, antonym form, synonym. From the dictionary, we can know these knowledge. And if we have doubt about the spelling, we can get the correct spelling from the dictionary. Grammatical items are also known from the dictionary, such as whether it is noun, whether it is verb. If it is a verb, what is its second form, past form or past participle form. Whether the verb is transitive or intransitive, we can know from the dictionary. Dictionary makes a student self-sufficient, independent to learn language, because he does not need to ask anyone else. If he does not know any word, he can know from the dictionary. So dictionary makes a person independent, self-sufficient. Now, there are many words which have many meanings. For example, beer, B-E-A-R, beer. There are many meanings of this word. And what is the correct meaning according to our context? We can know from the dictionary. Bear means a wild animal with hair. Bear means to tolerate. bear means to take birth. This, there are many meanings. So we can know from dictionary which is the correct meaning according to our context. These are the advantages of dictionary. Now, what are demerits of dictionary?